Hi, I'm Akil from iCAD Systems. In some cases, you might need to change the window type properties to change the construction type, materials, dimensions, and more. So, in order to change the type properties, you need to select the Windows element, and you can see in the properties palette, you can change the sill height by adding another value. Let's say you change to 1000, and you can also change the head height to a new value, let's say 2500, and click apply. To get a clear picture of what we have changed, you have to go to the elevation views by clicking at this icon and go to elevation view. Now it clearly shows the setting that you have changed. You can also change other properties by clicking edit type. In here you can change the height, you can change the width, you can also change the material. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.